Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make an extremely difficult paper airplane. This is not my best design, but this is one of my favorite one. As you can see here, it has 4 wings, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. These 2 wings are really important. It helps to keep the airplane fly straight or up or down. Also, as the top one is also create an impact to the direction of the airplane. So let's start now, because I don't want to waste your time anymore. So first of all, you need to fold in half this way. So you will fold it diagonally from the center line to this point. You will repeat the same step for the other side. If you saw my Spirit Bomber paper airplane, you know this is one of my favorite techniques. Next step, you will match this edge to this line. You do it like this. It's extremely difficult. And then you repeat the same step for the other part of the airplane. Opposite part. Do the same thing. If anyone has tried my hexagon paper airplane, you will know I love to use this scaffolding. Same thing with the hexagon one. See how I have here, fold down, and I open it. I just push this part out. Try to make it balance. So use the lines here, fold down. Okay, don't do it so quickly, do slowly. Hold here and push it. And then you will push this one down to the pocket here to hold the gap. Okay, push it down. Perfect. This is almost done, so be patient. And I will flip it over. Now just fold in half this way. Start from the top here, and I will fold it. You can see like a point here, like an angle here. I will fold it from the top, the tip here, to the angle over here. Just fold it out. Flip it over and fold the other side out. Now you can see the wing here. This is another wing. Okay, so next step is we'll fold this part out. You can see here the weird thing. So this is pretty simple. You just fold the tip here, the end of the wing, to this point. And then you open it. You will fold one more time from the tip here to the line you just create. down again. The airplane is almost finished. Remember to put this one down. So before you actually play with the airplane, you need to make sure that the surface here needs to be flat and straight, and also this part here should be 60 degrees down or 45, and this little tail is pretty important. It will have the airplane go straight up or go straight down or just go to the left or right. Also the tiny wings here, the small wings, really important. You should keep it like this. It will help the airplane fly straight. Sometimes you can adjust it. So actually just play with it and have fun with the airplane. Bye bye, see you next time.